Richard Radke here. Is multiple income funnel legitimate? It definitely is legitimate. They've been around for a little over 4 years, and there's so many features in here that you can use. If you want to start out, you just go there, and then you go to step one. That's one is part of the That's the program itself. Then you have a choice of 2 and 3 that you can put in whatever opportunities you want. And if you don't have any, you can use the ones I got if you like them. And then step number 4 is where you can get great leads. It's traffic authority, which has been around for about 7 years. Then there's another one that I use. It's bonus leads. I get them for $1 a day for 100 leads. So at the end of the month, I have 3,000 leads, which I can mail every day within the system. So, I mean, and then you got your links, which basically is all your different capture pages that you can use. You can use one or as many as you feel like it. Then you also have your place where first of all, training here. You got all kind. You got weekly training. Then you got marketing system training. And you also got 7-step training, which one of them is it shows you how to do YouTubes, and another one is show you how to market on Facebook. So there's a lot of different things in here that you can use. And then here, if you go in here, it shows you all your leads that you have, and they all got emails. You can email them all. And of course, the company emails them too to try to promote, tell them all the good things about it. And then you have resources, and I already mentioned the bonus stream, which I use. So I mean, I think it's a great program that you want to use. And then like over here, there's a video that I think was definitely worthwhile you watch it. I'm going to put my link below the video that you can watch this video, because Mac does a very good job of explaining everything, and he shows you everything about the opportunity, a better job than I did. And then I'm also going to put my contact information below so you can contact me if you have any questions after you watch the video. That's all I'm going to say for today, so bye for now.
It's Mac, and congrats.